Okay mate, we're going to make this air conditioner. So I bought Esky, good size, fan, a couple of these. I'm going to sit that on there like that, and we're going to draw around the outside. Okay, we'll drill a hole, so there's good. Alright, we'll give this a whirl. Okay, we've got a hole of sorts. Okay, we're going to drop the fan in. Nice. Before we do that, we want to see if we can take the cord off. It works. Dice that off there. Oops. Fuck. And like that. And cut them off. Yeah, like that. Now we just need to give it a little head job. Expose some wires. And drill a hole in right there. Just like that. Okay, now what we're going to do is cut off this long edge. Got that a little bit shorter. So shouldn't stick out as far. We're going to draw a circle. Oh, fucking phone. Draw a circle here. Okay, we've got a circle there. One over there as well. Okay. Let's tilt this about a bit. I'm going to try not to go too big. Better too small than too big. That's what I tell myself every day. There we go. Nice. Nice and tight. Look at that, man. Yeah, and just look at that thing. Look at it sitting there. Now at this stage you could actually stop if you wanted to, rather than air conditioning, to build like a turbo powered commode. Okay, so let's secure this fan into place. I'm going to put the electrical wires through the hole, all the way through. I'm going to secure these little doogalackies. This one. That's all right. Looks good. Looks good. And last but not least, done. Give it a clean up and see what it looks like. Okay, time to test the airflow. So I've got some paper over the vents so we can see how much comes out. I didn't have any fancy streamers or anything like you see on some videos. Plug that in. Yeah, look at that. Ooh, she's a little top heavy. Some ice in there. Frozen bottles of water. Things. Yeah, so I'll close all the doors and see what happens. Okay, it's only been 10 minutes and already I can feel the difference. The air coming out the tubes is a lot cooler than it was to start off with, and you can feel it cooling down in here. Anyway, we'll come back in about half an hour and we'll see how cool it is. Well, it appears to be working quite well by the looks of things. I know that I should get a nice cool sleep tonight, that's for sure. It's just so comfortable to have some nice cool air, like it really is.